Hello everyone. Our topic is about the disc diffusion method that includes the spreading of bacteria on an agar plate and arranging paper discs that have been treated with antibiotics on the plate for testing bacteria's resistance to various antibiotics. We used a variety of treatments, including essential oils such as almond oil and tea tree oil. We put these various treatments in the disc with the bacteria to see how effective they were. The main topics covered in this project are the zone of inhibition around the antibiotic disc and how it indicates that an antibiotic was effective in slowing or killing bacterial growth. You can use the zone of inhibition to assess how well the antibiotic is working against the bacterium. We also discuss how determining the zone of inhibition for each treatment enables us to determine how effective each treatment is against bacteria.
Bacterial diseases today are at an all time high. With the recent pandemic called COVID 19 that disrupted the modern era and how we view health today and in the future, scientists and doctors are constantly coming up with the medicines that will be able to combat the likes of these viruses. However, it is quite difficult because of the quick evolution and adaptation to the circumstances bacteria live through. Although there are a lot of medicines today that help with getting rid of bacteria, many people utilize home remedies that have been passed down through their bloodline. Essential oil remedies have been used for quite some time by families to combat these illnesses and to stay healthy because they feel it works more efficiently. This is important to science because it allows people to have access to a variety of combatants to these viruses so that anyone can feel safe and comfortable when trying to stay healthy.
Hi everyone. When most people hear the word bacteria, they think of a bad thing. In fact, many bacteria are beneficial and play an important role in both our bodies, such as digestion, and in the environment. There are, of course, a few bad ones that cause diseases, the infectious types of bacteria. These bad ones can get eradicated by our immune system, but we need help from antibiotics. So antibiotics help our immune system to kill these bad bacteria by breaking the cell wall or interfere with their cellular processes. But today, more types of bacteria are becoming resistant to these antibiotics, rendering them ineffective. So the question here is how this is happening and how resistance moves from one germ to another. The answer lies in the process of natural selection. Bacteria, like other organisms, acquire new genes from other types of bacteria simply by picking up these genes, or via a process called conjugation, when two bacteria come together. These new genes can help bacteria resist the antibiotics and spread these traits from one generation to another. So several factors actually help the spread of resistance, such as the overuse of unnecessary antibiotics, because that will lead to the spread of more resistant strains of bacteria. There is a good news. Scientists are working to develop new types of antibiotics and other treatments such as phage therapy.
Thank you everyone for listening. Hopefully you enjoyed and hopefully you learned something.